Welcome back everyone, and in this video I've actually grabbed a Windows theme for you guys so that you can just see that normally, and that my operating system was not looking that much good, so that you will not be able to understand that. So I'm just you will just notice what I mean. So basically you will have got this XM control panel. If you are not able to see this, just try to go to your start menu and just try to find it out anywhere on Mac. Just go ahead and check in your applications. You will just find this as you have just installed this XM control panel. What you need to do is you want to just run this as an administrator. So you just run this up, and now you will see Apache. I mean, in my case it is showing cross on Apache and MySQL. What you want to do is you want to, if it is tick in your case, you can just skip these steps. It doesn't really matter. You can just click on this and click on yes. It will just install these services. Just click on this and click on yes. It will just install these services. So now it is a tick here. You can just exit this to verify. Just go ahead, run this as an okay. Let me just close this. Run this as administrator and just click on yes. So basically you can just verify now this is tick now here. What you want to do is you want to click on start, okay, and this color should change, and here you will just see status change detected running. You want to change this as well, status change detected running. These were two things which you wanted to change. Now you can just minimize this, or you can even just cross this, because this is going to run in background, but minimizing will be a good option. In my case, my folder name is Hare, Hare. So whatever I will do this with Hare. So in your case you can have any name, it really doesn't make much difference. You want to cut this folder from here, and then you want to go to C XAMPP. Okay, so wherever you have installed this, for Mac users, please go ahead and find wherever you have installed this. Just find it in your hard drive. It will be there, XM folder. And now you want to go ahead and you want to find HTTP docs. Or if you don't want to do this all mess up, what you can do is in XM, in there is this menu here. You will see Explorer here. You can just click on this Explorer. It will therefore take you to the XM installation. Now here you want to find HTTP docs, okay, or HTTP docs, depends upon your installation version. You can just see here HTTP docs. Open this folder, right click and paste. Okay, so with the name of Hare we have something here. Okay, so we have our whole source code copied from here to here. Now you want to close this up, and you want to open your browser. So you can see the difference, right? This is now a clean theme, so you can just see everything clearly. Now what you want to do is you want to go to localhost, localhost slash your whatever your folder name was. In my case it was Hare. As you will go to this should show you the WordPress setup. You can see here W, this is the WordPress sign. So it is asking you for the language, but before proceeding we will need a database. So we are going to, our MySQL service is running, so we are going to create a database. For that what we are going to do is localhost slash php my admin, php myadmin. Go to this site, and even if you are offline this is gonna work because everything is on your local host. This is going to log in you in phpMyAdmin as the root user. Now here on databases, or either here you will see new here, so just click on this new and enter any database. So in my case I am going to enter database as, okay, let's just, yeah, so main. I'm just entering the name as main. You can have any name you want. Just click on create, and this has now created a database called main. Now you can close this up, and now you can just select your language, click on continue, and now it is asking you that you should have everything. So database name, database user, root, database host. I will tell you what are the root name and password. and you should know your database name. Click on let's go, and this setup might vary in your case depending upon the version of WordPress you are using, but basic functionality will be same. You will see these fields as it is. Database name in our case is main. User will always be root. Password, until you set this is going to be blank. And local host, this will be your host. Database host is always local host. Now table prefix, you can change this to anything you want, but I would suggest just leave it as it is. This really doesn't make any difference. In your database, all the tables will have this prefix. So WP stands for WordPress. If you want, you can just change it. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Doesn't make too much difference. Click on submit, and if there will be error, this should show you some error. In this case, it has not shown any error. All right, it is written. So you just want to click on run the install. Just click on this, and now it is going to ask you the site title. So site title will be, in my case, so this is going to be your title of the site. Basically this is generally this is the name of your site, and you can always change this information if you want. Username for your site, and I'm going to have the username as admin. So password, you can just get this generated password if you want. I'm going to change the password to, basically I'm going to change this to Bansal in this case. Okay, this is really very weak, but it is a local host. No one can hack into this, guys. This is a local host computer, and we are going to change the password when we'll be just uploading everything. Confirm user weak password. Okay, your email, make sure you enter your legit email, because this might cause some problems if in future, because you are going to backup, you're going to change your, I mean migrate your site to a live site in future. So you, okay, what I was typing, okay, L. So you want to type in your email. Search engine visibility, you don't really want to do this clause, because I mean it really doesn't make any sense, because we are working offline. So search engine visibility, definitely no search engine is gonna index us. And if you are working for a good project which needs not, I mean which needs that no search engine gets any indexing of your site, then you can just disable this, enable this. And in our case, we don't want to do that. Install WordPress, and okay, so it will now install WordPress for us. So you just need to wait. And so my antivirus is showing some thing. I'm going to click on yes, because I know that this process is trusted. So if your antivirus, I already said that please disable your antivirus when you are working with this kind of thing. So this is showing success, and I'm going to click on login. And now whenever you want to log in, what you want to do is localhost slash whatever your folder name is. In my case it is Hare, HARA slash WP, which stands for WordPress dash admin. Okay, or on the way, just type in login. This should work. Yeah, so this also works. That doesn't really matter, so you can just type in your site name slash Hare. Now username you already know, admin, I mean whichever you set in your case. In my case password is Bansal. Just click on remember me. We don't want to get this thing again and again. This is a local host definitely, and this is your WordPress dashboard. So it is showing some updates, and if you are connected to internet, this is also going to download updates. So I'm just going to update this up. If it is not in your case, you don't need to update anything. It really doesn't make too much difference. This is just the anti-spam, and no one is going to add spam comments because we are offline. So you just click on dashboard here, and in next video I will go ahead and do a quick introduction to WordPress. This whole I will do orientation of this WordPress platform. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.